installed a Heat & Glo Cosmo 42 fireplace. What I like about the Heat & Glo is that they're made in the United States, right in Minneapolis, so if there's any issues with technical questions or parts, we have no problem getting that taken care of for you.
Again, this is the Cosmo 42. It's Heat & Glo's modern linear design fireplace. It gives you a long ribbon flame that most of our customers are looking for.
And it comes in 3 different sizes, the 32-inch, the 36-inch, and a 42-inch. This one is a 42-inch. There are 2 fronts available. We're showing you the martini front, but there is a different front called the clean face available. 5 finishes, so you can do a couple different color options if you're looking for that. Now we're showing the media, which is available in 7 colors, but you can also get traditional logs, which are 2 different styles to choose from.
The modern has features like LED lights, reflective panels, and a passive heat or a smart wall technology.
Okay, now this martini front, like I said, is available in a black. This one also has LED lights. What I like about the LED lights is that if you want to use it in the summer or off season, but you don't want to have that heat, lights are a nice little effect that you get in your room. Now it has black reflective panels on this one. So the flame that you're seeing in the back is actually a reflection of that ribbon flame that's in the middle.
This customer chose the smart wall kit. The smart wall kit eliminates a mantle. So it allows us to bring our television set and our fireplace closer together. What the smart wall kit does is dump out the heat off to somewhere else so that we do not need a mantle between our TV and our fireplace.
Now for this unit or any other unit that you might want to install into a master suite or another room in your house, please call us personally or check our website and we can find a fireplace that fits just for you.